Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? Now, I think all of you are fine. I am Bulbul Gupta, your maths teacher. So, children of Standard 4, today I am going to start new topic, vertex and arms of an angle. Okay, today we will study vertex and arms of an angle. Vertex and arms of an angle. So now let us see the angle. So this is an angle. The angle is formed by the two rays. So here all of you see that this is an angle. Right? Now, what is the vertex? This common end point. This is the this point, it is called vertex. Okay, of the angle. Right, and these are arms of the angle. These are also arms of angle. These are arms of the angle, and this is the vertex of the angle. Okay, now what is the vertex? The common end point. The vertex is common end point. This is common end point of the two rays. This is a ray number 1. This is the ray number 2. This is the ray number 1 and this is the ray number 2. So this is the common end point of this ray and this ray. So what is the vertex? Vertex is the common end point of the two rays. Okay? The common end point of the two rays of the angle is called the vertex of the angle formed by them. These two rays, they coincide with each other at a point. And this coinciding point is called the vertex of the angle. Now come to what are the arms of the angle? There are two arms of the angle. What are the arms? The two rays, this is the ray number 1, this is the ray number 2. The two rays which are forming an angle, this is the arch of the angle. Okay, the two rays that are forming an angle are called arms of the angle. This is the first arm and this is the second arm of the angle. And the common end point of these two arms of the angle is called the vertex of the angle. Okay, children? Now, let us come to the next topic. So next topic is how will you name an angle? So the next topic, firstly before going to the topic, we have discussed vertex. What is the vertex? The common end point, the common end point of the two rays is called the vertex of the angle formed by them. Okay, what are the arms of the angle? Arms of the angle. The two rays forming an angle are called arms of the angle. Okay, children. Now let us come to the next topic. Again I am repeating, vertex. The common end point of the two rays is called the vertex of the angle formed by them. The arms of the angle, the two rays forming an angle are called arms of the angle. I think it is clear to you now. Let us come to the another topic. The topic is how to name an angle. So naming of an angle. Naming of an angle. Now, this is an angle. This is the first ray and this is the second ray. They are coinciding with each other at a point. This is the vertex. Okay. So, let us name it. It is A, this is B and this is C. So, how you will name it? So, always you should remember that this vertex, it should be in the middle. Now we will start, whether you start from this side, B, A and C. And this is the sign of the angle. Or you can write C-A-B. C-A-B. Well, how I have written? We start from this side, B, A, C or C, A and B. Always remember this vertex, it should be in the middle. The vertex should be written in the middle. Okay. So, now come to the worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 2. In worksheet number 2, question number 1. Write the name of the following angles. For example, L, M, N. How you will write the name? Firstly, give the sign of this angle. This is the sign of the angle. And this vertex, I will write first, M. Now, I will write this L here to the left of M and N to the right of N. L, M, N. M should be always in the middle. There are 3 letters here, the name of the 2 rays, LM and MN. So, M should be in the middle and this L should be on the left side and N should be on the right side of N. Or you can write it as N, M and L. Okay. So, in this way you have to do question number 1. Now, let us come to question number 2. So, in question number 2, complete the table. Complete the table. So, here is a table. The column is there. Angle, vertex and arms. As all of you know that in an angle, how many vertex? One vertex. How many arms? Two arms. Okay. So here for example, see, this is the angle B, A and C. So what is the vertex here? So this is the common end point. A is the vertex. And where are the arms? AB, arm AB and AC. There are two arms of the angle. Okay, similarly you have to complete this question number 2. Now let us discuss the question number 3. In question number 3, question is draw the angles. Draw the angles. You have to draw the angles. Okay. For example, angle M, N and P. So firstly we will draw this two straight line joining the rays. So N, it is the vertex. So N will be vertex. Now write here as a M and here as a P. In this way you can draw the angles. You have to draw this angle with a pencil and the ruler. You always use this ruler to draw the angles. Okay. So here again I am using this ruler. Okay. Right. So similarly you have to draw this angle. This is the ray M, N, P. You have to give the name of the angle also. This is the middle letter is the vertex. Middle letter is the vertex. Okay, remember this thing. Now come to question number 4. So in question number 4, how many angles are there? How many angles are there? So some pictures are given. For example, this is a picture. So how many angles are there? This is the face of the mobile. How many angles are there? So you have to count the number of the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many angles? 4 angles. Here all of you see this straight line meeting at a point. This is an angle. This line and this line are meeting at this point. This is the angle. This is the angle. This is the angle. Angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3 and angle number 4. So how many angles are there in this face of this mobile? 4 angles. So similarly pictures are given in your book. You have to write down number of the angles of that picture. So children, what is your C work? Your C work is worksheet number 2. Unit number 12. Okay. Let us start the new topic, measuring an angle. Okay. How we will measure an angle? Firstly, always keep in mind the standard unit of an angle is degree, and the symbol the special symbol this is used for degree. It is written at the right side of the number high up. Now, what is the standard unit of an angle? The standard unit of an angle is degree. The special symbol, this one, small circle, is used for degree. It is written at the right side of the number high up. So now, how we measure this angle? How do we measure this angle? Now I am going to show you an instrument. This is protector. What is this? This is protector. So we use this protector for measuring an angle. This protector is used for measuring an angle. So in this protector, all of you see that there are two rows of numbers. See, from here, this is left side and this is right side. So both side is 0. From 0 it is starting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. And again when we are going from this right to left, here see 0 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So here you see that the numbers, there are two rows of numbers. How many rows of numbers are there? Two rows. See, this is the first row and this is the second row. There are two rows of numbers are there. How many rows of numbers? Two rows. See, from 0 to 180 from right to left. Again from 0 to 180 from left to right. So there are two rows of numbers on the protector. The numbers are marked from 0 to 180. All of you see it carefully. The numbers are marked from 0 to 180 and there are 180 equal subdivision and such subdivision denotes 1 degree. How many? There are 180 equal subdivisions. See, this is from 0 to 180. There are 180 equal subdivision and each subdivision is 1 degree. Each subdivision is 1 degree. So this protector is having two scales. How many scales? Two scales. See, this is both of the scales are in reverse direction. This is from right to left and another scale is outer part. This is from left to right. There are two scales in this protector and it is because the angles to be measured may be facing either side. So these two scales, there are two scales on this protector? Because these two scales which are on the either sides, they are used for measuring the angles which are facing either on left side or facing either on right side. Okay, so here all of you see whether this angle is facing towards right side. So here this protector is used from this measure which starts from 0 to 180 from right side, and when this mouth of the angle is opening towards the left side, then we will measure this protector from 0 to 180. So let us see. This is an angle. Facing, it is opening towards the right side. So here the name of the angle is A, B, A and C. We have to measure this angle. Okay. So how we will measure it? Step number 1. We have to place, this is the center. This is the center of the protector. So we have to place this center of the protector on the vertex of this A. All of you see. Okay. This center of this protector, it should be on the vertex A, right? And then we have to adjust the protector such that the line, this line, the base line, it should fall along the one arm of the angle. This is the one arm of the angle AC. So here the zero of the protector, it should be at the vertex A, and this line, it should be adjusted in such a way that it falls along this one arm, that is AC. It falls on AC. It will just coincide on this AC. The baseline of the protector, it will falls on AC. Okay. Now we will start to take the measurement. Since the face of this angle is opening towards the, what is this? This is right side. So I will start the measurement using the measurement, start from the 0 to start the measurement from this side. Okay. And then I will start from 0, 10, 20, 30, and then it is 38. Okay. Nearly 40, but not 40. It is 38 degree. Okay. So in this way you have to measure it. Now let us take another step. Now firstly you should always look that this scale, this 0, it must coincide the vertex, right? And the arm, this coinciding the base. This is the base of this protector. It must coinciding one arm of the angle. This is the one arm AC, this base of the protector, and the 0 will be at the vertex A, and this arm, base of the protector must coincide. यानी एक के ऊपर एक रहेगा, AC के arm के ऊपर arm AC को just coincide करेगा this base of the protector, base line of the protector. Okay. Then we measure, since the mouth of the angle is facing towards right, so we will use the scale from 0 to 180 degree from this right side. We use here from 0 to 180 degree. There is a scale, starts from 0 to 180 degree. It is from inner side. See, look carefully. It is the inner side. There are two scales. One scale is from 0 to 180 degree, from right to left. So I will start from right to left scale, from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, and it is just 38 degree. Right? Now let us take another example. Here, when this is an angle M, N and O. Okay, I have to measure this angle, right? So according to the what I have told you, firstly I will adjust this 0. Okay, I will adjust this 0. Where is the 0? Where is the 0? So this is the 0. So I will adjust this 0 at this vertex of this angle. Okay, firstly adjust this 0 at this vertex. And then this base of this protector, it must coincide with the one of the arm, that is NM. One of the arm, that is NM. Just base must coincide. Okay. Now let us see the another arm, NO. We will read where it is coinciding on this measuring scale. So here I will use the outer measuring scale, that is from 0 to, which goes from this outer scale. Two scales are there, all of you see. So here from 0, it is, the angle is facing to a left, so I will start the measuring from 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41 and 42 degree. So here measurement is, it is 42 degree. Okay. So here always remember that angle which is facing left, the angle opening left are measured on the scale which starts from left to right. The angle which is facing left is measured using the scale which starts from left, that is see it. This scale starts from 0 to 180 degree, starts from left to right. Always remember that. Okay. And the angle which is facing towards the right side, the angle which is facing towards the right side, then how you will, which measuring scale you will use? So here always remember that firstly this vertex will coincide with the 0 of this protector, and the base of the protector must coincide with this one arm of the angle. Now how you will take, since this angle is facing towards the right side, so I will take this measuring scale which starts from right to left, from 0 to 180 degrees. See, from 0, the inner scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So inner scale I will use for measuring the angle facing towards this right side. I will use this measuring scale which starts from 0 to 180 degree, facing from right to left. Understood, children? This thing you have to remember. Now let us come to worksheet number 3. So in worksheet number 3, so in worksheet number 3, question number 1, use the protector for measuring the angle. So this is the angle. Okay, you have to use A, B, C. So you have to use the protector. How I have told you that this protector is having this 0. This is the 0. So this 0 will be on the vertex, and the base of the protector must coincide with this one arm, that is BC. Now I will take the measurement of another arm, where that the arm AB, which is coinciding this protector. Okay, so here since the face is opening towards right, so I will use the measuring scale which starts from right to left, from 0 to 180 degree, the inner scale. Okay, so it's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it is 65 degree. So similarly you have to do question number 1. Now in question number 2, construct the angles. In question number 2 is construct the angle. Okay, for example 45 degree. How you will construct it? Firstly, draw a straight line. Okay, now give the name of the line AB. Right, so this at the vertex A, you put this protector, the 0 of the protector, it should be at the vertex A, and the base of the protector, it must coincide this line AB. Okay, now here measurement is 45 degree. Okay, so here it is 45 degree. I will start. So I want to face the angle towards right side. So I will take this measuring from right to left, from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 45. So now I will join this point with this vertex. All of you see. and then give the name of this arm is AC. So this angle is 45 degree. Similarly, and always remember, I am showing you with this marker pen, but you have to use this ruler and pencil. Don't use pen to make the drawing, to draw any angle and any geometrical thing in your maths copy. You must use ruler and a pencil. Remember that. So now, what is your H work, children? Your H work is worksheet number 3. H work is worksheet number 3. So hope children you have understood, this concept is clear. If any problem we will discuss in the live class. Till then, goodbye, Shabak Khair. Bye bye children.